Let's get into it. We're gonna use some bread flour, 4 cups of the bread flour, some all-purpose flour, one cup of the all-purpose flour, some semolina flour, and 1 cup of the semolina flour. Some instant yeast. This personally to me is the best yeast, and we're gonna use 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. You see that? 1. Bow. Bow. Two teaspoons sugar. Pink Himalayan salt. And that's 2.5 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt. Now let's add this water mixture. See what's going on here. So this is about 2 2/3 water. We're gonna add some raw unfiltered honey, about a tablespoon. And when I mixed up the dough, it was kind of wet, so I added some more flour. Now we just let this rise, let it proof. So you see it's starting to rise. This is like maybe about 3 hours in. It's rising. Voila. This is what we got right here. Look at that. A well-hydrated pizza dough. So right now we just breaking up the dough, portioning it off. And we're gonna take some of this semolina, sprinkle that on the board. Nah, man. Sprinkle some flour. Set this to the side. That's what you want. So you saw that stretch. That also has to do with the semolina flour that you're using. So you definitely want to use the semolina flour. It will give you that nice stretchy dough. So it's good to work with, and you won't have a lot of tears. Let's get to it. Let's get to kneading up this dough. You ain't never seen nobody do it like that, right? I know. So you're kneading it out. And what this does by kneading it, it gives some elasticity to it. So for those that don't know, it gives stretch. And that's what you want when you're making pizza dough, because you don't want the tears. And also if it tears, there's not enough liquid. Add some more semolina. This is how they do it. This is how they do it. This is how you get right here. Get that pan. Put you some olive oil in that pan. Spread the olive oil in the pan. You go to work. So now you got that nice round pie. On this right here, by the way, is like a 14-inch pan. Throw some medium pie. You go ahead and put those holes in the crust, in the dough rather. Whip up that marinara. Know what I'm saying? Whip up that marinara, spread it on there. And this is all according to preference. If you like your saucy, of course, add more. If you don't like so much sauce, then add less.
If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe.
Now that that's on there, we get the cheese. We got some mozzarella, shredded mozz, some pepperoni, and some smoked provolone. Let's go ahead and cut up that provolone, just throw it up on there. There's no specific order. Let's go ahead and put this shredded cheese, mozz, on here. You can put as much cheese as you want, and that's definitely up to you. However you like it, of course it's to your liking. I'm gonna throw some of that Parmesan, that shredded Parmesan. Throw that on there. Let's get these pepperonis on here. Pepperonis. Just get them on there however you want. However is good for you. See how that look. Yeah, that's that top view right there. And this right here is about 5 minutes in the oven. Look at that. Now we living. We good. It's up. So in total, you want about 15, anywhere from 14 to 18 minutes, depending on your oven. But look at that. Look at that. Don't that look good? I like mine's crunchy. Gotta be crunchy. Sprinkle some oregano on there. Look at that. Yeah. Some Parmesan. Gotta have that palm. Now let's cut this bad boy up. Let's get into it. For real. We in there. We almost there. Yeah. It happens. There you go. Look at that. How that look for you? How that look? I like mine's crunchy. Yeah. Just looking serious. Let me pick this up right here. Yeah. Look at that. So go ahead and make this for your family. Let me know how it comes out for you. That crunchy. See that? This ain't no play. come correct. There you go.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to definitely give it a thumbs up. And stay crunchy. We like it well done over here.
All that.